Open water skills. Scuba gear assembly. Practice makes perfect. Dive with peace of mind. Before diving, connect the tank, regulator, and buoyancy control device. In your first dive, learn how to assemble the equipment. Soon, it will become second nature. First, check the tank's O-ring, tank test date, and whether the gas is smelly. Step 2 involves combining the BCD with the air cylinder, following the instructor's demonstration in the video. Turn the tank so that the valve faces away from you. Loosen the strap of the buoyancy control device and attach it to the air tank. Tighten the strap and check if the tank is firmly attached to the BCD. Step 3 involves assembling the regulator. When installing the regulator, the pressure gauge SPG and low pressure valve are on the left, the second stage and the alternate air source are on the right. Once you've confirmed that everything is properly installed, as demonstrated in the video, install the first stage on the air tank. After the first stage is properly installed, follow the instructor's demonstration and connect the low-pressure inflation line and low-pressure exhaust valve. Lightly press the second stage while opening the air tank valve to ensure the second stage functions properly. After ensuring proper airflow, release the second stage and fully open the air tank valve before closing it again. Finally, check the pressure gauge to verify tank fill level. Step 4 involves checking and confirming everything is in order. First, check the regulator for any leaks. Then, check that the low-pressure inflation and exhaust valves are properly connected. To confirm the regulator's functionality, lightly press the second stage and check if the pressure gauge SPG remains steady. Finally, lightly press the BCD's inflation and deflation buttons to test the low-pressure exhaust valve.